In this tutorial in Microsoft Excel, I'd like to introduce you to the tool of using a name to identify a cell or a range of cells. It's a really great feature because it helps you avoid mistakes and helps you understand the nature of the formulas that you enter in on your workbooks in Excel. Let me show you what I mean. Here we have a chart on the left of miles per gallon for 12 months in the year. Normally, to calculate this, I would click on cell D2 and put a equal in, and then I would click on that is equal to cell C2, and then I'd use my / divided by cell B2 and press enter. And I get 24.7. Now that's accurate, it works, it's fine, but when I look up in my formula bar, I see C2 divided by B2, and if it's way down in the spreadsheet buried somewhere, I have to understand, is that the formula I want or not? Let me undo that with Control Z and use a named range. In fact, two of them. I'm going to click on all these cells that give me my gallons per month. Now in the name area, I'll type in here, and I'm going to type in gallons. Now when you type a name in, you cannot use a space, you cannot start it with a number. You can use an underscore, which is very common. So I hit that and I say gallons. And now you notice this changed. If I use the down arrow, I now have a name of gallons, which applies to these particular cells. Let's do this again. Let's take the ones called miles. I'll highlight them, and I will type in miles. All right. And now, if I want to do my formula, I can just say this is equal to my miles divided by, and I can click on the gallons if I want to type the whole word in, gallons, and press enter, and I got the same number. I can go ahead and I can drag this down, copy the formula down through the other 11 cells, and in each cell, when you look at the formula bar, it is miles divided by gallons. And that's how it calculates that on each of the rows. And so I go back in the formula, I say, where did this come from? Well, I don't need the cell reference. I have the actual name telling me what happened. Let me give you another example. Let's assume that I have an income of $200,000. Boy, I wish that were true. And it's at a 66% tax rate. Okay, well, we'll click on this cell. We'll name the single cell. We'll call it adjusted underscore, remember no spaces, gross. Okay, we'll click on this cell. We'll call it tax rate underscore. Okay, and if I want to calculate the tax, this is equal to adjusted gross, and then it gives it to me here. Okay, times my tax rate, enter. And if we click back on the cell, here is the formula in words. So it makes sense. It allows you to understand exactly what is going on and how the formula is developed by looking at words rather than cell references. You see the logic of it, how easy it is to read your formulas using this process in Microsoft Excel.
Named ranges make it very easy for you to understand the logic in your formulas. I'm Jim from The Sharper Turtle. I'd like to ask you to like us if you appreciate this lesson, and consider subscribing to our YouTube channel so you can receive updates as new lessons become available. I'd also like to invite you to check out our categorized lessons at sharperturtle.com. Thank you.